Hi, my students. It's me, Rachel MacDonald. I teach English as a second language at Regina Open Door Society. I'm here to teach you some more weather words to go along with our homework for this week. So I will share the screen. Okay, our first word is tornado. Tornado. A tornado is very dangerous. Here's a picture of a tornado in Manitoba from 2007. This is a telephone pole. This is a telephone pole, and this is a telephone pole. They get smaller as you go. And so those tall telephone poles are very small compared to the giant, big tornado. You can see how strong it is, how the winds go round and round and round in a circle, and it has a lot of cloud in it, cloud and wind, and often rain is in it as well. So this can cause a lot of problems. People can die. It can throw a car through the air and hit a house. So that is a tornado. So if you hear of a tornado watch, please go into a house and go in the basement with some water, just so you have something to drink if you need to stay there a while. Tornado. Yeah, they can be up to 180 kilometers an hour. The next word is a blizzard. Blizzard, or it's a kind of snowstorm. Here's a picture of a blizzard, but I'm going to show you a video of it right away. So here's the video. This is in Saskatchewan. This is a blizzard. You can see the high winds, the strong winds, and a lot of snow coming. This is also fairly dangerous. You should stay inside because you can't see, and you can get very, very cold from that. Okay, so that's a blizzard. The next word is drizzling. 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 Drizzling is just a little bit of rain. The raindrops are smaller than raindrops. The drops of drizzle are smaller than raindrops. So you see these people are walking in the drizzle. It's really not raining, so they don't have an umbrella. It's just little bits of rain that are coming down. We say it's not raining, it's just drizzling. There's some drizzle, a little rain, 1 or 2 drops of rain. Again, that's drizzling. The next word is humidity. Humidity is a noun, so it's a thing. And humid is the adjective. So humid can describe the weather, it can describe the air. Humid air is in some countries that are by the ocean or with a lot of rain, humid climate. So for example, here's a picture of a rainforest. This is a rainforest. It's very humid. There's a lot of water in the air. There's a lot of humidity in the air. The humidity is high. So that's how we use humidity. Humidity is the noun form, and humid is the adjective form. The opposite of that is dry. It's an adjective and it's dry. This is a picture of a lake in Saskatchewan. I think it was last summer. This is a dry lake bed in Saskatchewan. The water is very low. The grass on the hills is brown. So this should be all green here, but it is not green. You can see because there was no rain. It is not humid at all. The air is clear. You can see far. So there are clouds, but down here there is no fog. You can see easily. It's not humid. And you can see very well. And so we know there is no humidity. It is dry here. So you see that is dry, no water. The water should be probably up to here on a regular, in a regular summer. The water should be up to here, but it's so dry that there was no rain, so it's quite far down. So there we are. So again, the words in this video are tornado, blizzard, drizzling, humidity, and dry. I hope you enjoyed it. Have a good day. See ya.